Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled accounts on Shazam app. We go to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about Shazam and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.